Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What are we talking about today? It's all about reference photographs. I've got a timer running on my desk because this is likely to go over. Reference photos. We love working from life, but we end up at some point in the studio working from photographs because let's face it, small children, animals, they never sit still. So how do we get the best reference photo? Well, I have I had to check then, didn't I? 5 tips for you. Number 1, have a clear photograph. I know that might seem obvious, but blurry photographs, you can't see the detail, and we're about making things easy for yourself. 2, natural light. Photographs taken in natural light look better, the colour is better matched to the animal or person or whatever it is that you're trying to draw, because internal lights have a yellow colour spectrum, so they change the colour of things. Morning and evening light are the best because, well, we all know, don't we, that direct strong light from midday doesn't do anybody any favours. So the next point 3, eyes. Eyes are the window of the soul. We want to be able to see them. So it's really good to be able to get eyes that don't have a flash, another reason for taking photographs outside or by a window. And we want to be able to see them clearly. So if there's a fringe, let's move it out the way, shall we? And then, number 4, get down with the kids, girls. I know. The thing is, if you take a photograph at the same level as the subject you're taking the photograph of, you get a better, clearer image, and there's no perspective distortion, which can happen if you're taking the photograph as a large but big person on a small dog. You get a very different look on that animal and the body can look a bit weird. Great if that's the effect you're wanting, not so great if it's not. 5, the last one, and we're down to, oh bother, we're already 2 seconds over. But I'm going to go over anyway, so we're going to go over. 5 is the last one, honest. So what we've got at number 5 is multiple reference photos. Get people to send you multiple reference photos if all you're working from is a photograph, and get them to annotate it. So this is Tommy, and this is where in this pose, the hair colour or the fur colour is the right colour for them. However, their personality is like picture number 3. Picture number 4 is my favourite pose. However, the lighting's not great. So you can then, as an artist, take all these pictures, take all the annotations and create the best picture or painting of dear Tommy. So that's my tips for reference photos. We have gone over by a whole minute. I am sorry, but these things are important. Reference photos is all about making it easy for yourself, something that we talk about a lot in the Smart Art Academy. We have free workshops running. Subscribe and go on and sign up to the list for the Academy because you'll get to know all about all the free workshops that happen in addition. And I'd love to see you there. Okay, see you next week. Bye.